Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to know about freelancing and project making. What's the difference and which is more useful for your placements. So let's get into our video. First we are going to talk about freelancing. Okay, what is freelancing? Freelancing is a domain where works like internship, okay, part-time jobs and jobs which are not permanent. These all comes under freelancing domain, where you can showcase your talent and get a job. There will be a profile for you. There you can show if you are a web developer, Android developer, or CAD CAM professionalist. You're going to show there, okay? According to that you're going to get like part-time jobs, internships and some jobs, okay? In this domain you're not going to get a permanent job. This is like very big disadvantage of freelancing, okay? You're not going to get permanent job. The first job you're going to get is not that easy to get. It's not at all easy. I'm trying since 5 years. Till now I didn't get any single job from freelancing. I did what I have to do in freelancing field, but I didn't get single one also. Okay, if you get also, they're not going to pay you that much. Don't think I can buy iPhone, iMac, MacBook, Apple नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते उससे. They just pay you like 3,000 2,000, that's it for that, okay? And in freelancing you are not going to get any recognition, name recognition. These things you are not going to get by doing freelancing. Yes, if you do hard work you are going to get money only, okay? And some skills, okay? Working environment you can yes, you can get that working environment in any field, okay? And that's it. If you're doing a particular job, some people need to recognize you that you are doing this job, and you need to get name. This thing you're not going to get in freelancing, okay? Next we're going to talk about project making or project designing, or whatever it may be related to project, okay? Project you're doing by your own or with the help of college, that's up to you, okay? If you're doing by your own, that totally depends on you, that your financial condition or how much input you can give on that particular subject, on that particular project. Yeah, yes, subject matters a lot in project also, okay? First you designed a project, you created it. It may be physical or maybe apps or whatever it may be, software, hardware, whatever it may be. You have created your own project and just push it into the public, like market. If you not going to push into market, you're not going to know anything about flaws and what are the flaws are there in a project. To know these all things you need to push your project into the market. Then only you can know all the things, goods and bads about your project. You're not going to get money in the initial days. After creating your project you're not going to get money, no money. You have to think how I can earn money through this. Initial stage you have to give input, then only the days when comes you're going to get so much of money, okay? Initial days you're not going to get money. In freelancing you can get money by getting part-time jobs or internships. Here it's not any case that you're not going to get, okay? You're going to get recognition. Yes, this person did this thing and we have to appreciate him. Like that you're going to get name. Everyone needs name. Everyone need to recognize you as you. Okay, don't forget that you need name. Okay, first thing is done. Recognition, name, and money you'll get, but initial days you're not going to get as you got in freelancing. Okay, next क्या होता है भाई? These things has done name and recognition and money. Okay, in freelancing you're not going to get name, recognition, you're going to get money. In project making you're going to get recognition and money. It depends on you. Okay, next we are going to talk about placement related stuff. Will freelancing help you in getting a good job or project making? It totally depends on skills you acquired through making a project or doing freelancing. Okay, if you have a very good knowledge on particular subject, okay, you have done project through that subject only, everyone give you a good job or placement. Okay, but in freelancing you have work experience. Okay, it's different. Some people will see working experience and this person is able to work in software companies or companies, MNCs, they'll see that. So in another scenario they'll see your creativity. In project making they'll see creativity. This person is how much he can put all his efforts. It's totally different domains, right? The placement stuff will differ for each of them. Okay, you're going to get definitely a good job, but it depends on company to company. That's it. Some companies will think that we need people who are students who are very much interested in creating stuff. They'll recruit this project wala guy. Or if some companies think that we need like experienced guys, then they'll take freelanced guy. So don't worry about placements. Both the domains have job opportunity levels are more than a person nothing did. Okay, these two things, if you don't have any marks, चलता है भाई, कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता. आपके पास दिमाग है, बस किधर भी पोड़ो तोड़ो कुछ भी हो जाता है भाई. आई एम लिविंग all the best for whatever you're doing. Okay, हैप्पी दिवाली सब लोग को. हैप्पी दिवाली. बाय बाय. पटाखे फोड़ रहे, मेरे को वीडियो भी नहीं दिखा लेने दे रहे. सो बाय बाय, ऑल द बेस्ट, गुड बाय.